Hello and welcome everyone to TiGrow. TiGrow is an enterprise connectivity platform where you can manage your teams, but you can also create projects and collaborate with your buyers, suppliers, and your external bodies of your organization. This will be a brief rundown of how TiGrow operates and how it can be beneficial for you and your organization. So if I click in here, I go into the sign in page where I can sign in for my account. If you don't have an account, you can go in here and sign up for your own account. So I'll just put in my ID and password and sign up for my account. So this is, I have signed up for my account, and this is what my profile looks like. My profile picture, I have cover picture. I can add any details about myself, designation, job, and educational description as well. So this is a list of companies that I'm part of. I can create a new company from here. So I'll just show you a company that I've already created. See, I'm seen as super admin because I am the one who has created the company. So if I click into the company, there comes a dashboard. This is a brief summary of what the entire organization is about. There are 3 running projects, 2 employees. So I have already added my friend and I've also added an associate. So in case of this company announcement, this is a tool for sending in generic message to everyone involved in the organization. So this can be a very handy tool for departments like IT and HR because they might want to send generic message to everyone. Then you come to this profile section where you can add your company logo, probably your slogan as your cover picture. You can add more advanced information like your products, your certificates, and all those other details. Then you come into colleagues, and here you can add your employees of the organization. So anyone who has created an account within TiGrow, you can see their email ID and you can add them through their email ID. I've already added my friend here, and this stars are significant because this a golden star indicates that I'm the super admin because I'm the one that created the company, but this black star indicates that my friend Rubat Farhan has admin access, and that admin access has been given by me. I can also remove this admin access and edit his designation. That means I have given a CXO role chief manager. I can edit those things. So what are these things that admin access give you? I'll show you now. So these are the sort of like access that you get as admin, and as a super admin you can alter and like customize what are the sort of access that you want to give to your admins, and you can save them for like as you wish. And in terms of general, you can change your company name, and in terms of department, you can add more departments under your organization. I've already added 3. So I'll go into the project. Probably this is the most interesting part of it. So you can create a project with name, you access admin, then you select departments and you create project types and all those things, and you can create a project. I'll just show a project that I've already created. So there's a project description. You can add a project description here. You can upload files that are necessary for a project. So this is a basic outline for the entire project. So now I come to room. So room is probably where you want to communicate regularly with your entire team. So you can create multiple rooms. I've created one room, and this shows you the sort of members that are in. You can add new members here if you want to. So this is an important part. This shows an highlighted discussion part, and this highlighted discussion part is interesting because when you have like a lot of members and a lot of messages, you might want to highlight 1 or 2 messages that can be beneficial for you, and that goes into that highlighted discussion. Then you go into mode, and board in itself you can create new boards there. So I'll just show a board that I've already created. So I've created a board as a meeting. So you can create different columns according to your use or your process of your organization. I've created a very generic method to-do list, in process and done. So I can move this task around and show that this task has gone from to-do to in process, and when they are done with the task they can show me that this task is done. So within the scheduled meeting, I can do a few things. I can assign a due date. I can assign a member that I have already assigned my friend into the members list, and then I can also assign the priority of the task. That can be an important tool for HR to assess the employee performances. I can also divide this task into subtasks for me to like assess this task and monitor the progress of the task more frequently. Then I can write any sort of comment that is relevant within this task, and any activity regarding this task will be shown in here in this activity column. Then you move into team. Here you basically add members who are actively participant on that particular project. So this is slightly different from colleagues because colleagues is every employee within your organization, but this is more like a selected group of people that you only want to be working in this particular project. And in the same process, like in colleagues, you can give them admin access. In Teams, you can give them project moderator access. So basically that is it. Then you go into settings and you see that there are different methods and different points that you can add, different features that you can add, as like add or remove members, create an update room. So these are the features that you can add and customize to your conveniences. And lastly, you go into associate, and associate is something that like your buyers and suppliers and your vendors and your strategic partners, those are the people that are involved. So this is associate that I've already added. You can see all the details of that particular associate, and then you can create new associates. So in order to create, for you to create that, you need to like send an associate request, and that request will be sent, and once they accept that request, then your associate will be added. So in pending requests, you can see the request that if other companies want to add you as an associate and send them requests, those requests will be stored here. And these associates can be used once you are trying to create projects. As I've shown you that once you are trying to create project, you can also add your associate within that project and collaborate accordingly. This will give you an avenue to collaborate within entire organization and like external bodies in the same place, and you don't have to move from one app to another, and you can do everything within TiGrow. So I hope that this is helpful for you. Till next time, thank you.